Welcome back to this amazing YouTube video. My name is Justin Okoro. You already know this channel is Freedom Trading Room. So I'm dropping this video of how to trade Trendline. This video is just made for my mentorship student, and I'm dropping this video on this YouTube so that you guys can understand how to draw your Trendline and how you can follow the trend of the market. So this video is just pretty how you can draw the Trendline break after the market break. You wait for retest and then you take another trade. So for further ado, so I want you to just give me some love, like some love. Go to the go to the comment section, just drop some comment right there. If this content is good, just drop some comment right there, then turn on subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then click that like button. Just smash it, guys. Smash that like button so that the video of this YouTube can take this video aside so that people can know how to trade the forex market. It's easy. I'm going to teach you very simple and easy because that's what I did with my mentorship student. Very simple and easy for you to follow. So just baptize it, understand how you can follow the market trend, the trend of the market, how you can follow it with trend line, and then master it on your own. Just backtest it, and then you can prove it every time, every minute. So this is just a simple analysis, a simple way that you can make money from forex market. You can make thousands of money, you can make millions of money in this market. So without further ado, let's jump into the screen. Let me get you guys to how to trade it.
Down, break this trend line and start pushing down. So then before then you want to take the trade because you are in a daily time frame. So you just have to come over to 4 hour time frame to draw another trend line to understand where the market is going next. So you have to take this low and this low and this low and another low for you to understand maybe the market is just currently here. Let's just take this out. So the market is currently there. So what you just need to do is for you to draw the trend line from here to this level right here, to this level, to this level. Just following this process, you're going to get a lot of information from it. So you just put your trend line. Like your trend line is going to be from a low or from a high. So if you want to trade a high like this, you want to trade like high, you want to trade this trade like this, you will have to wait for this. Like you have to draw your trend line from here to this high to the low to the lower. You are going to draw the trend line like this. So that's when you are going to understand where the market is currently going. So if you don't see maybe like the market is just somewhere here, the market is somewhere here. Remember, we are in a daily time, we are in 4 hour time frame. The market is currently here. So you don't know when the market is going to push up. So you just have to draw your trend line from here down to this low. Just let it align with what you are doing, like understand the process of what you are doing. So everything will be from high to higher high and so on, higher low and so on and so forth. So from higher low, higher low. So that's how you are going to draw the trend. So you are not to take because you just see that the market is going in the downtrend. You are going to take trade from there. No. So I usually make that mistake a whole lot before I understand it. You have to wait for confirmation before entering any trade. You have to wait for confirmation. You can see how the markets, how you can draw your trend line. It's very simple of how you can draw your trend line. Very simple. Like literally like this, you can still draw your trend line from here. You can see this flow right here. You can see how I was able to just draw this trend line. Or you can just draw another trend line after taking this. You can draw another trend line from here, from this uh, higher low. You can just draw your trend line to this place. So you will be expecting market to get to this place. That's what you will be expecting from the market. If the market break this trend line, like you break this trend line, you are going to be expecting. I'm still teaching over that trend line because that's my first. That's the first thing I understand in the market before understanding break of market structure, breakout block, order block, and all that. So I literally understand trend line first. So that's what make me understand every process of breakout block, order block, for market to start coming down and all that. So after you understanding this, then you now understand the process of breakout block or that block and all that. So first, you have to understand how to draw your trend line. You have to understand how to draw a trend line. And literally, maybe like the market, I just want to go back to just start the process for you to understand the process. So I'm literally going to take out this low, take out this trend line, take out this trend line, and let's just backtest this. Let's just backtest this. So you can see this market right now. You can see where you draw the trend line from to this level, and this is where you see the market. The market is just currently here. So what are you going to do? What are you going to do to know if the market wants to start coming down? And you are in 4 hour time frame. You are in 4 hour time frame. So first, maybe in this 4 hour time frame, you are going to wait for days, maybe like 2 days, 3 days, or 4 days. So you are going to draw your trend line from here down to this, or just picking this low to this higher low. So you are going to pick that. So you are going to wait for a confirmation, like a confirmation to enter any trade. Like you are going to wait. You can see the market is pushing down. So you are going to wait because it's going to give you a whole lot of, like, it's going to give you up and down, up and down. So for you to know that the market, so you can see this trend, you can still take this trade when you are in daily, maybe 15 minutes time frame. You can still take this trade. You can see how, let me just take this. Now one candlestick, maybe like one candlestick have already broken that trend line. So this is when you will be expecting sell from the market. So after seeing this in 4 hour time frame, all you just need to do is to go over to 15-minute time frame or maybe 30 minutes time frame. Go over to 30 minutes time frame. Uh, you can see how the market is now in 30 minutes time frame. So then you already draw your trend line. Sorry. So you already draw your trend line that the markets have already been line. So what you will be expecting is for price to move all the way up a little bit, maybe up a little bit. You can see how the market went down. So I wouldn't have been in this trade because I would have waited for confirmation to maybe like the market come over to this place all the way up to this place before taking any buy, any sell. So I would have been waiting for that. So if you enter this trade earlier, maybe like you enter the trade from here, so and you enter the trade from here, and you are saying that the market wants to start selling and buying because you already told the trend line, you can see how the market treat people that if the market wants to start pushing up. After then, news or something like that spiked the market down. And see how the market was able to break the trend line. So after breaking the trend line, if I want to enter this trade, I will have also wait for the market to come over to this level before taking the trade. I will have wait for the market to come over to this place if I want to take any trade. So I would have just wait for the market to come over to that place, give him a confirmation that you want to start buying or selling. So you can see the market is currently here right now. So then I will be expecting a buy, a sell in the market. I'll be expecting a sell in the market. Maybe I will be like I will lose the trade or something like that. The market is already in that trend that you can see how the market touch this low candlestick. Now it starts pushing down. So then this will give me a confirmation that the market have already taken people stop loss here back here. I will just take trade from here, putting my stop loss right here. Targeting 3R. So 3R, yeah. 3R so far. Let me see what the market is going to do. I can be out of the market, so it's not going to work out perfectly every time. Not going to work out perfectly every time. So the moment it works, just take it and you'll be profitable. When you understand the process, you'll be profitable. Profitable. So this is what the market will always do. Like I don't know what the market is doing, but joining my trend line, using my trend line as a confirmation, my first take profit I've already hit because I will put first take profit and second take profit. So my first take profit I've already hit and I will break even. Then I won't be losing any money anymore because my first take profit is hit. So I will break even for the second take profit to be hit. So that's how I will be able to take this trade and I will be in profit now because I already made maybe a whole lot of money from it. Like maybe I use $50 from the account. I already made $100 because I will be expecting $3 in the account or maybe $150. I already made the $100 from the account. So even though the market come over to this place and hit my stop loss and hit this place, I'm out of the market because I already make a lot. I already make a little money from it. So I'll just break even, put my stop loss just where I take a trade from. So this is how I will be able to understand this. And firstly, you can see do this in 4 hour time frame. You can still do this in 15 minutes. You can still do this in 15 minutes. You can see this. You can still take this trade from here. Like you can see where the market starts from. You can still take this trade from here. You can still take a trade from here. So after the market, maybe you want a confirmation in trading, just go over to 30 minutes time frame. Maybe like you just draw another trend line from here, another trend line from here. If the market break that trend line, you are going to stop the market. You are going to end the market from there because they have already given you information that this market wants to start moving up, and if you are already breaking down 30 minutes. If it's 5 minutes, I won't say that they have already break the trend, but this is 30 minutes. 30 minutes is a strong minute for when the market is breaking down. Maybe you draw a trend line from 30 minutes and the market break it. 30 minutes is strong for it to move up. Like it's strong for you to move up. So then I'll be expecting to get out of this trade from here. You can see, and the market give me a double top. You can see a double top right here. A double top. You can see how the market give me a double top for me to know that this market wants to start pushing up. This market wants to start pushing up. So if you have not read about double top, I already sent the book on the uh, I already sent the book on our Telegram channel. You can just look for it and find it there. So you can see that the market have given me a double top, confirming that this market wants to start moving up. Want to start moving up, I can just take trade from here because the market have already break the trend. Seeing that the market have break the trend, I believe that the market will come over to this place, like over to this zone right here, before maybe pushing down or something like that. The market will come over to this place before coming down. So I'll be taking trade from here, another trade from here, so targeting this up right here. So that's what I will be expecting in the market. It can take years to do that, but I don't care. You can see how the market moves to the upside, go over to that 30 minutes, hitting your take profits. That's how it will play out fine. Because why? This is 30 minutes. This is 30 minutes. You are going to see resistance. You are going to see everything playing out fine. But for you to understand the moment, like you want to understand the process, you can see this is that 1 hour time frame. I've already told you that this market is moving in an uptrend, and 4 hours give you the same scenario that the market is moving in an uptrend. So if you want to take trade from a downtrend, like you want to sell in that moment, so any mistake that you just see your confirmation have your trend line have been broken, like you draw your trend line is broken in 30 minutes time frame, you just need to be out of the market because you are selling because there's no momentum in that selling. There's no momentum. It's going to take days. You can see how the market from on Sunday. Let me see on Sunday. Let me see on Saturday to on Monday. You can see how the market was just consolidating. You can see from here. You can see how the market quickly go up just in one day. Like in one day, you can see how the markets just in one day you can see the time from there. You can see on Thursday 21. You can see it right on this top right here. So you can see the time frame. Thursday 21, you can see how the market moved up, like hitting your take profit in that day. You are going to call this a day trade. You're going to call this a day trade because you already see that this market is a day trading strategy, is a day trading strategy. And secondly, if I want to take this trade again, I really say that the market uh no, I'm not talking about that now because I'm not going to teach you my strategy when you have not learned the trend line scenario. So this is trend line scenario I'm giving you, like it's just literally free for you. After understanding this process, you are going to be making a whole lot of money, like a whole lot of money without you understanding maybe other block. I know that other block is going to drag the market down a whole lot. It's going to push the market down, without block and all that. It's going to drive the market. And if you don't understand them, you are going to be losing money too. You don't understand them, you are going to be losing money too. But using your trend line to perform a whole lot of things is going to give you a big dream ahead of the game. Like you are going to understand a whole lot of processes of it. So this is just it. So I have seen a whole lot of things like this. Like the market will always break this trend line. I will not call this maybe like a major trend line in 30 minutes. So I will call this a major trend line in 30 minutes. 30 minutes trend line. So I will call this a major trend line. And the minor trend line I've brought from here, I've seen this happening over and over again. Like the minor trend line I drew from here have already been broken. Have already been broken. I see this always, like always. The market break this minor trend line, which is also a strong minor trend line, but not the major trend line. So we have already break the trend line. If we like to move all the way up, maybe like somewhere here before coming down to take it out, to take this trend line out. I already see that over and over again. Let's just think my network is really bad. So let's just play this out for you to see. And I hope you can hear me. If you can't hear me, you can just tell me that you can't hear me so I can just, I hope you can hear me. So you can see how the market went all the way up. So you can see how the market went all the way up. Now you'll be looking for a confirmation, maybe another block and all that, but I don't want to teach you another block now. The market going back to retest this trend line. That's what I would tell you. The market came back to retest this trend line. Then market will start pushing down. So just you have to wait for a lot of confirmation or still holding your trade that you take from here to this trend line or something like that. But you have to wait for confirmation. So first break all those breakout block and other block is going to give you confirmation for this, because if you don't understand it, you are going to lose money. You can see how the market respect this other block, take out this uh break of market structure. You can see a break of market structure by the break of market structure. I'm going to close everything just the way you are seeing it on the book, which is the book I sent you guys. So you are going to see a break of market structure, the market push down, and now the market give you a break of market structure again. Oh, so you can see how the markets move to this place, taking this out with a whole lot of momentum. So you will know that this market is still pushing up. My time is up on this platform, so we'll just talk a little more about it, and then we can go over it and backtest this on your own. So if you want to draw another trend line for you to know that the market wants to break, you can just draw another trend line from here. just draw it from this. No, I will not start from this low. I will start from this place that he break the trend line from. So that's where I'll be drawing the trend line. You can see how the market respect this trend line. It didn't break it. It just consolidates and push up. You can see a break of market structure that the market is still pushing up. The market just come over to this place. Now is breaking out of that trend line. So that's where you will know that the market is still pushing up. So that's when you understand that this market is still going up. But when the market break this trend line, when the market break this trend line, that's a break of market structure, a change of character in the forex market. That's a change of character. If you don't understand this, you are going to be missing a whole lot. You are going to be missing a whole lot in trading. If the market break this trend line, if or when the market break this low, that's when you will know that this market is now going on a downtrend. You can see how the market take out these people stop loss. Then after taking out those stop loss, that is when the market will start pushing down. I already see this over and over again. Like even when I'm backtesting with this trend line before, I already see this. Like the market will come over to this trend line, like where this low, this trend line stop, will come over to it again, maybe giving you a double top in maybe 1 hour time frame or 4 hour time frame before pushing down. And it must break, it must take people stop loss from here. It must, like it must take people stop loss. That's if you want to understand liquidity and all that, that is when you are going to understand this. Without you understanding liquidity, you are not going to know where the market is going to get to before knowing that the market wants to start pushing down. And now you can see one touch, two touch, three touch. So I like this pattern a lot. You can see one touch, two, three. This is now four touch. It's going to break this four touch or maybe a little more up before coming down. So let's just see this. Let's just play this out for you to see. You can see how the market expect this trend line and break it. Now it's retesting the trend line. It will start pushing down from here. So if you want to take trade, you can just take the trade from here. Then I will be taking the trade from here until my stop loss right at the stop, and then targeting this major trend line, which is 30 minutes major trend line. So that's what I'm targeting with this trade. I can be out of the trade, then I will be taking another trade from the top, because then I will give you a whole lot of information. I'll be out of this trade, and then I'll have another confirmation to enter the trade. You can see that this market is, we didn't break this trend line. Now it's breaking this low right here. It's giving us, you want to give us a change of character. When you give us this change of character, now you will now know that this market wants to start pushing down. You can see how I was able to analyze the chart, understand the process of the chart, how I was able to do the analysis. This is just the analysis of trading. Like if you understand this process, trend line first before understanding those other blocks, which you already read about it, which you already understand about it, you are going to understand this process. Like it's going to give you a breakout block. Now it's going to break this trend. It's going to break this low. When it's coming back, it's going to break this low. That is how forex literally works. That's how forex market literally works. That is how most of the log trading works. This is I'm not trading US GBP USD or USD JPY now. I'm trading GBP JPY, which is my currency pair. I just recently added to my trading and all that. So you can see how I was able to use Trendline to backtest this. Like I literally haven't backtest this place. Like I haven't backtest this place. I'm backtesting now. I haven't. Like you are going to wait a hold on. Maybe you are going to call this a swing trade, or you're going to call this a swing trade or something like that. But this market is going to play out fine. Maybe you want to take 5 or 6 trade. You get, when you get to this place, just take out the one position. When you get to maybe second take profit or third profit, take profit, you just break even for you not to lose money again. That's how the market usually work. You can see how the market with this give you a change of character from here. Let me just put that change of character. You can see how the market give you a change of character. After giving you a change of character, now it will now give you a break of market structure. You can see how the market break the structure. Now the market has break the structure, will come back maybe to this place before pushing down, or maybe it can just push down more. So this is how, if you don't understand this trend line, I'm happy that I make this recording, maybe like post it on my YouTube so that you can go over to it again, read, understand it, watch it over and over again, or I will send it over to you to understand this process over and over again, because this is literally going to change the way you trade and all that. The way you trade and all that, it is going to give you a whole lot of information that this market is still pushing down slow. Just like I said, the market comes over to this other block, then it start pushing down. So this market will go over to this place, break this trend line. Let's just, I want to end this trade now. Let me just, you can see how the market break the trend line to the downside. The battery is down and my time is up. So you can see how the market break this trend line to the downside, and boom, you are in the profit already. I know it's going to take days. Because this is 30 minutes time frame. It's going to take days to do this. When it gets to this place, you have to break even. You can see how the market respect this. So now it happened again here. You can see this is the major trend line. I was taking it out. You can see this is the major trend line. The market now come back to this, consolidate and come over to this place that we take trade from. You see how it came over to this place. After doing that, it's going to break this trend line to the downside. So this is how the market is going to do every time. This is how it's going to work every time. So I'll see you. Maybe if you want any question, just message me and I'll here to answer you, because this recording, I don't think it will process before my laptop on. So if you need any question, just message me. So see you in the other side. Or